Hello friends, how are you? Today I will show you how to turn off border in Google Earth. First of all, open your Google Earth app. Click on it. Now search any place like America. Now you can see there is some borders area. Now turn off this border area. First of all, click on profile and choose this option, clean, no borders, label, place or road. Now select it and back to Google Earth. Now you can check all borders are not visible there. Only you can see the landscape area. This is the way you can turn off your border on Google Earth app. This video will helpful, then please subscribe this channel and like this video. Thank you so much.